I want to see my room in the next 5 minutes. There is something very important I want you to help me out with.
Yes, sir.
You may continue.
Test or no test, Carol is barren. You need another woman in your life to prove to her that you're a man.
Exactly.
Come in. Are you done with what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sit.
I should sit.
Yes. Calm down. Don't be scared. Okay? Come. Where are you going?
Sir, please. I'm not comfortable here. In fact, I'm not supposed to be here.
Calm down. Come. Just calm. Calm down. You see, my wife is not around. And she's not coming anytime soon. So, it is you and I alone in this house. Okay? It's okay. Just calm down. Sit. You see?
So, you know...
No, relax. Don't be scared. I want to make you feel like a woman. Okay?
Sir, please. Madam will not be happy if she finds out.
No. How will she know? I will not tell her. Will you tell her? Will you? Of course, keeping quiet means you're not going to tell her. So this is between you and I. You understand? I want to make you feel like a woman. I want to make you enjoy it. I promise you she's not going to hear about it. She's not going to hear about it.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to clean up this mess now.
Tom. Baby, Tom, let me see your face. You're crying and your eyes are red.
I'm having a slight headache.
You're having a slight headache and you're crying. Don't you know it will aggravate the headache? Have you taken any medication?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Serve the food and take some rest, okay? You can't be crying when you have headache. It will make it worse.
Thank you, ma'am.
Agnes, it is 1 week now since you and your sister visited my house. And since then, I didn't hear from any of you at all.
Uncle, what do you mean by you did not hear from us?
Yes, because by now, we are supposed to have been planning on how to give Ikem a befitting funeral. But I didn't see you at all.
Uncle, is that why you traveled from the village? Why you traveled all the way from the village to here?
Agnes, is it not worth it? Yes, answer me. Is it not worth it? Anyway, I'm doing all this just because of your own benefit, your own interest. But why you decide not to give Ikem a befitting burial? I'll just go to my house and rest. After all, he's not my blood.
Exactly. He is not your blood. So why are you bothering yourself? Eh?
Just because I care.
Uncle Biko, leave my house.
Yeah? Agnes, you must give equal. Did you hear yourself? I should leave your house.
Yes.
I should leave your house.
Leave. Leave. I don't want to force you. I don't want to push you. Just go.
Push me?
I will push you, Uncle.
Agnes, you push me?
What is it?
Hey!
This man is evil. He has been planning his own funeral, not Ikem's own.
God forbid.
I told him to go. I don't know what he's still doing there.
Uncle, we could come and go.
I am going nowhere. I will stay here until you push me away. That's what I'm waiting for now. Agnes said she will push me out. Push me now.
Uncle.
You have just misinterpreted my good intentions.
Uncle.
Eh?
Uncle, come and go. My mom just say you should go. Be here now.
Uncle.
They would have been there.
Come and go now.
Agnes, push him out.
Uncle.
Eh?
Leave.
We leave.
Leave, Uncle. Leave.
You can check in. Push him out.
Uncle, come and start going. You are looking for trouble. Uncle, come and start going.
You what time it is? Agnes.
Please, can I go now?
Yes, you can go. But don't worry, my wife will not hear about this, okay?
Sir, please, let's not do this again. I might get pregnant.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take this, okay?
No, thank you. I don't need it.
Oh, come on, take it. This is from my heart. I'm the one giving it to you. Take.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't take it. I have to go now.
Test or no test? Carol is barren. You need another woman in your life to prove to her that you're a man.
Exactly. Udugu Kambo. Do I need to regret what I did? No. I need to prove myself as a man. And what I did is one of the proofs.
How are you?
I'm fine, Ikem.
Miss you.
Yes. Ikem.
This is for you.
Yes. When did you come back?
Not quite long.
You left everybody in the dark.
Yes, it's not easy out there in the city. I was struggling to find my feet first.
Okay.
How is Mama and everybody?
They're all fine. They're all fine. I miss you so
I
much.
missed you more.
Come and sit, please.
No. I'm in a hurry. Yes, but I want you to follow me.
I should follow you.
Yes.
Okay. Let me drop this bread.
All right.
I'm coming.
Oh, babe. Ah, my baby. Go. Mama, oh. Mama. Wait here.
Oh, you're yet to tell me why you brought me here.
Just wait, I'm coming. Mama. Mama. Then I will August visitor.
Morning, ma. How are you? Fine, ma. No.
Mama.
Eh?
She's the one.
Ah, that's very interesting. No, welcome. Oh.
Thank you, ma.
Oh, welcome. I think I've seen you somewhere.
Yes, you've seen her before.
Oh, Mom? Imam?
Mama, I brought her for you to officially see her.
Ah, my son, you did well. Oh? What? Let me go back to my kitchen. I was cooking before you called me. No, oh?
Thank you, ma. What did you tell her about me?
Relax. I told her I want to make you my wife. You know, you're such a... In fact, you're wonderful, beautiful, inside out.
Stop.
Are you happy?
Of course I am happy.
Are you sure you're happy?
Yes, you should know I'm happy.
All right. Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes. Why should I do that?
Please.
No, tell me, why should I close my eyes?
I said please.
How many seconds?
Less than 1 minute.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Don't open your eyes.
I won't open it. I will open it right now. 1, 2. It came. Stop. It came. Go. Up. Open my open my eyes. Don't want to open my eyes. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, it came.
Oyala. Mbu. Onye mbu. Eka still one. Cabin biscuits. That is what you are. Hey! Ilego. Lewandowski.
I was just sleeping. You're disturbing me.
Ose! You were sleeping. You payment sleep. Sleeping Mulanya. Do you know what you were saying? He came. Ikem. Oh, Ikem. AI, voila. You go mad, oh. You are running crazy. In fact, if you go mad, I will be the number one to bring chain, gear left and right. Continue. Look at what you're doing to yourself. Ikem, I. Continue. My. Therefore, now I go.
Was I actually doing all these things? I thought I was sleeping. I was calling Ikem. Mama?
Is your ma?
It's ringing.
What?
Ikem.
Ah!
Ikem is Hey. He's still ringing now.
He did not pick. He's not talking.
Let me call him again, Mama. He's ringing.
What's up? Oh, hey. He didn't pick. Call him again. Call him. Thank God the number is going now. Call him. Hey,
Mama is on another call. Let's wait more.
He will call us back. At least the good thing is that the number is going.
Well, that's true. I'm coming.
Okay.
There go, his number is going. I know he's still alive. Ikem, why are you doing this to me? Ikem, stop now. Why are you doing this to me? Let me call it again.
Obioma.
Mama.
Obioma. How many times did I call you?
Bolito.
So your brother was right all this while. That good-for-nothing boy went to the city and forgot everything about you. And you are here starving yourself over nothing.
Mama, Ikem never abandoned me. He did not. He only had a problem on his way to Lagos. I'm just worried if he's still alive, that's all.
Who told you he had a problem? Were you there with him?
He's coming again. Hello? 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 Hello?
What is it?
He came just called. I don't know.
I thought you were speaking with him now.
I don't know who picked the call. I don't know who picked the call. I don't know. No, call again, no.
He's calling back. He's calling us back. Pick it and put it on loudspeaker, Biko.
Mama, it's on.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Ikem? Dikeh! Hey, Jesus is not talking.
No, mommy is still reading.
Diego, they are speaker.
It's on.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Ikem?
Listen, madam. Do not in your life call this number again. The owner of this line is dead. Do not call this line again.
Obim, how are you? Obim, how are you?
What is it?
Sanwa, please, I want to talk to you. Discuss something very...
What is it? I'm asking you, what is it?
We are not quarreling. Just hear me out. Little time, I want to tell you something very, very important.
Now listen, I know what you have in mind. Please, let me be. Inanya, let me be. I don't even know how you came to know my name. Yes. Just stay away from me. Stay away from me. This is the last time I'm telling you. Because whatever your name is. I don't have time for a womanizer like you. I am not interested. Get that? Nonsense.
I am not a womanizer. Obi. Obi.
What is this now? So you mean you're still following me? I've told you to stop following me. Leave me alone.
I know I'm not supposed to be following you like this, but at least give me a listening ear. Please, hear me out.
I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear anything concerning you. Please, leave me alone. I will shout.
Don't shout. Obioma, listen. If I'm not serious, I won't abandon my firewood out there. My firewood is on the road. Trust me, you will never regret this. Give me a chance. In fact, let's call a spade a spade. I love you.
You love who? You love who? I said I don't want. Don't love me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. I'm warning you for the last time. Last time.
Give me the chance to prove how much I love you. Please, Obi. Pico, I swear you will never regret it. Give me a chance. I'm not joking. I'm serious. Please. Oh? Give me a chance.
Okay. I've heard you. I'll think about it. But please, stop disturbing me for the last time. Please.
Obim, how are you? Obim, relax and give me attention. What's all this?
What is it?
I love you.
Oh, wagon. I told you to stop following me. Stop following me now. You're pestering my life. Please, I am rushing to the farm to get some vegetable. Please.
Give me a chance to prove how much I love you. I'm not joking. I'm serious. Please, oh?
Don't touch me. Please.
Relax, Anna. Relax. I will kiss you. Relax now. Huh?
Allow me.
Relax.
Let me pass.
Relax now.
Let me pass.
Relax, son.
Let me pass. Sorry. I told you to stop following me. I told you to stop following me. Now you've seen. They will say I'm. Oh. Sorry. Don't. I told you, since you've been following me, I said stop. This is Namki. What have I done to you? And you've seen now. Oh yeah, where are you going now? Oh, no, sorry. I know, no, Pico. Sorry, I'm sorry. Eh? Oh, sorry, please. Oh.
That was how he won my love with his stubbornness. Today, he's no more. After all the promises he made to me, how am I going to start without you? How? I couldn't have believed that you're truly gone. If not for the voice I heard over the phone yesterday. He promised me you were coming back to marry me. I was ready to wait for you all till eternity.
Good afternoon.
Hi, welcome.
My mother sent me to you.
Oh, she did?
Yes, she did.
Okay.
Were you able to get Ikem on the phone?
Yes, I did.
What did he say?
Nothing. I called him. A stranger picked his call.
Did the stranger speak to you too? Say something.
Yes.
And what did he say? Obioma, talk to me. Why are you quiet? Stop crying, please. Please. Talk to me, Bikon. What is it? What did he say? Stop crying. Stop crying, please. What did he say? Stop crying, please. Please, stop crying. It's okay.
Mama, mama!
You're welcome, my son. Hey!
Yes, Papa.
Your father has gone for a meeting. He will soon be back. Hey!
No. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? I missed you too. How are you?
I'm fine, Mother.
How's your husband?
He's fine.
And the kids?
They are fine, no.
I can see that.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Your friend?
Her name is Ini Edo.
Okay.
Don't worry, Mama will tell you the rest about her.
Okay.
Let's go inside. Brother, no.
Thank you.
Sugar, what's going on?
It's okay. I'm here for you.
But why are you not talking to me? Echezona, I want to see you right now. Now.
Okay, I'm coming, Mama.
You said nothing is wrong.
Nothing is wrong. I will handle the situation, okay?
Echezona, come with me. Come with me.
What was the meaning of that?
The meaning of what, Echezona? What is your wife doing here?
My wife? I do not understand.
Did I not tell you over the phone that you should come alone?
Well, I didn't hear that, but was that why you ignored her greetings?
Yes, I did not invite her. She's an unwanted guest in this house.
Oh, Mama, she is my wife, for crying out loud. She's my wife.
Your wife, my foot. Well, thank God she's here.
Mama? 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 My mom has changed from the woman she used to be. What has gotten over her? Mama, Mama, we need to sort out this. So, Mama, Mama.
Jesus!
I enjoyed it.
Are you from Idemili?
Idemili, I heard it. Oh! Ebuneru! You're not ashamed of yourself. Look at what you're doing. Eh? So this is what you're doing in this house. Eh? You think you're smart, but you're not smart. You're not ashamed of yourself. I thought you're a saint.
You're mad. You are mad. If it is what I do in this house, is it your house? This is my father's house. Get your own father's house. Oyembu.
Ebuna. You're no longer Ebuna. Now you are Ebuna. Don't worry when Mama comes back. Mama will hear the scores. Yes! Mama will hear the scores. And you, let me warn you. See, if I see you in this house, if you know what is good for you, don't come here again.
Come closer.
Look
now.
at who you are dealing
Come
with.
closer.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Nyam, dokalo, nyala. Look at you. Yeah, now.
God, mad girl. You want to slap me?
Don't talk to me. She threatened me in your presence and you could not even say anything.
That is my sister, for crying out loud.
What kind of a boyfriend are you?
Eh?
What kind of a boyfriend are you?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Don't talk to me. Don't touch me.
Sorry now. I just said sorry.
Echoes my son.
Papa.
It is a good thing that you are here with your wife. Carol, you have been a very good wife. Having lived for several years with my son.
Nani, I don't like the way you're presenting this matter. This is a very serious matter. What do you mean that Carol has lived very happily with our son? Is there any happiness in a childless marriage? Eh?
Papa, Mama is right. We are here and we expected you to go straight to the point and tell Carol our final resolution. And you are here pampering her. Eh? Carol has been married to my brother for years before I got married. Oh, getting amazing. I have 3 children.
Will you keep your mouth shut? How dare you? How dare you insult my wife before me? Have you lost it? Papa, Mama, is this why you invited me here?
Chesana, please do sit down.
No, Papa, I will not sit down. I will not. How dare she insult my wife before me? No atom of respect. Same girl I carried in my arms years back. And she had the impetus to look at me, look at my wife's face and insult my wife before me. Besides, this is supposed to be a family meeting. Yes. Who is she and what is she doing here?
She's your wife to be. Wow. You can't continue like this with Carol.
Mama, Mama, what did you just say?
You heard me well. Carol is a barren woman. And I brought a woman that will give you as many children as you want. Marriage is all about making children.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, I am not a barren woman.
I will slap you if you talk back at me again. Do you think I will sit back here and watch you ruin the life of my only son? No. Never.
Nature son, please do sit down.
Who is Carol to talk back at me? Is she woman enough to stand me? Are you?
Look at her. She is not even ashamed of herself. See, let me tell you, my brother must get another wife. You?
Ego, will you keep your mouth shut? Mama, marriage is for a purpose. Thus says the word of God, not for childbearing. Honey, I love you, okay?
Hey.
This meeting is over as far as I'm concerned. Good day.
Hey, Joseph, sit down. Listen, both of you. You should have allowed me to handle this my way.
Papa,
you should have allowed me to finish saying what I was saying.
Papa, that is not the truth. It is. Can't you see that this idiot, this fool has bewitched our brother? Are you not saying it, Papa?
Tell him. As no Kenya na no nulo. Ewu amua no biri. Ina po karo.
Well, it's okay. We are going to sit here and see where all this will lead us to.
Karo.
I know what your plans
Ego, I am not your mate. Please mind the way you talk to me.
Stop that thing, Carol. Stop all this your pity face and see, let me tell you. I know the extent a desperate barren woman like you can go to keep a childless marriage. So stop all those your pretense.
For the last time, do not speak to me in that manner again.
Or what? Carol, tell me, what can you do? You bewitched my brother and he refused to listen to his people. You think you've won? No, you've not. I'm still here.
Is that what you did? Oh, that's how you bewitched your husband, right? How I wish I can see your husband people so I will tell them exactly what you did to their son.
Look at who is talking. Shameless barren woman. Look at who is talking. You still have mouth to talk, eh? No, you are an idiot. You are a fool. You are an idiot.
What is going on? What's the problem?
Barren woman. Oh, he won't barren.
Sugar, it's not your useless sister here. She's insulting herself thinking it's me.
Ego, I will not warn you again. Ego, I will not warn you again. Honey, get into the car, let's go.
But I'm sorry to tell you this, but we are disappointed in you. Barren woman,
Honey, get inside.
Already couldn't you get me to yesterday. My brother is going to marry another wife, whether you want it or not.
What an insult! What an insult!
My mother said you should come inside.
Come inside and do what? Eh? Ego, have you people not insulted me enough?
Nothing has spoiled, Head. I'm still in charge. Just calm down for me. Calm down, let me re-strategize.
Ego, I am not interested in your strategy, number 1. 2, tell your mother that I said I am no longer interested.
Just like that.
If I had known your brother would be coming back with his wife, I would not have been here in the first place. Thank you very much.
The kingdom of God suffered violent. By fire, by thunder. Why are you giving up so easily? Imoma? Yeah. Mama! Mama!
Your body is very hot. How long have you been feeling like this?
It started about 4 days ago.
4 days? And you did not tell me about it? Have you taken any medication?
Yes, ma. I bought some anti-malaria drugs.
Anti-malaria. So what type of anti-malaria drugs did you take?
I've forgotten the name, but I still have the...
Agnes.
Uncle.
I understand you are the one that is in possession of the keys to my late brother's house.
Which of your late brothers?
Your father, of course. Nduka.
My father.
Yes, I want the keys. I need it.
You want the keys to my father's house?
You heard me very well.
EJ Megan. Huh?
Agnes, don't even pretend as if you don't know the tradition again. Tradition says that that house belongs to me.
Alose.
Because my late brother had no son as at the time he died. And you know very well he has no son.
Okay, okay, so you left our village to my house here just to collect the key to my father's house.
Yes.
Huh?
Am I the one you are talking to like this?
Yes.
Agnes.
Yes.
Agnes, don't allow me make you regret this action.
Regret what?
Go in there and hand over the keys to me.
What is your business with my father's house? Okay,
it's my entire business. The house now belongs to me.
All right. Go home.
Agnes Naya, if I live here without those keys, you will regret it.
Me?
Better go and provide it.
Me? Regret what? Uncle, see about poor. See about poor.
Missy Bempo.
Bonya?
Missy Bempo.
See Bempo.
Now, as far as I'm concerned, that house is my house.
Your house.
Don't allow me to reach home without those keys. Otherwise, Tonya,
Side, go and enter.
Don't allow me to get home without those keys.
Nonsense.
Go and
enter the house.
Agnes!
Ebube! Ebube! Are you ready to tell me who got you pregnant?
Auntie, please. Auntie, please, Auntie, forgive me.
Forgive you for what? You're not ready to talk, Abi?
I'll talk. Auntie.
You don't want to talk! Start talking. Don't you dare lie to me.
I'm like, it's my boyfriend, yes, my boyfriend. Auntie, please, my boyfriend.
Who is your boyfriend?
Hey. Auntie, please. It's Oka. Auntie, it's Oka. Auntie, it's Oka.
Who is Oka?
Your husband. Auntie, it's not my fault. Auntie, it's not my fault. Hey. Hey.
I'll get it today.
So what happened to the maid?
She has been discharged from the hospital. But unfortunately, she lost the baby. My wife wanted to send her packing out of the house, but I insisted she must stay until she's fully recovered.
Echezona. You see, you made a very big mistake. How could you sleep with the maid?
Oh, come on, Onyebushi. Don't blame me over this. Don't. As a matter of fact, this incident opened my eyes to so many things and it got me thinking. The big question is Why haven't my wife got pregnant after 15 years of marriage? But just a single touch, bam! On my maid, and she took in.
That means you have a very big assignment in your hands. You must make inquiries about your marriage.
Oh, no, I don't need to make any inquiries. After all, I have a son in this village.
Huh? What is it?
This is not a laughing matter. Let me tell you how it happened.
Madam, you said you came all the way from Ajali village.
Yes.
And you came to see my son.
Yes.
Ikonne, Odekwanam.
Papa, Mama, what is going on here?
Our visitors are here to see you.
Now that my son is here, tell us why you're here.
Dalurina, there is no need beating about the bush. Your son here impregnated my daughter, Nkiru.
Echezona,
Mama.
Is it true?
Mama, it's a lie. I don't know what this woman here is talking about.
Echezola, please tell your parents the truth. I am 2 months pregnant for you.
2 months what? May thunder strike you there. When did it happen? I said, when did it happen? You're telling me I don't. Mama, don't mind this girl. Don't mind this foolish girl.
We came all the way from Ajali to this place just to hear this. Have you seen it in Kiru? Enuge?
Madam. Madam, I know what my son can do. Please take your daughter home. Sit her down. Ask her questions like a mother. If she confides in you, she will tell you the person that is responsible for this pregnancy.
Yes. In fact, this my son here. He's still a virgin. He doesn't know any woman. Yes. So you better go and look for who impregnated you. Don't come here and come and lay allegation on somebody else pregnant.
But it's not true.
Somebody that's innocent.
It's not true.
Regarding Uncle, are you saying you are not the one responsible for my sister's pregnancy?
But you heard him now.
Sister, let me educate you. In fact, let me let you know. I don't have anything to do with your sister.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know her. She doesn't know me. She should go and find who is responsible for the pregnancy. I'm not the one.
He's lying.
It's
not true. I'm 2 months pregnant for him, Mama. Please tell them.
Let's go.
How did you even manage to know my place? It's not my name. It's okay. I don't know you.
I'm going to give him away.
Have you seen it?
Mama is lying.
Oh, yeah.
Believe me, I don't know this girl.
Oh, nice.
I don't know her.
Are you serious about it?
Absolutely. I am serious. And I have this belief inside of me that as soon as I unite with my son, all this problem will be over.
Chizana, unfortunately, the son you're talking about is dead. Dead.
Dead?
Dead.
I want to talk to you.
The guy, that one.
I greet you all.
Pour me wine. Uncle, no. He will pour you. This is my house. Yeah. Today is my day. How do you go? Okay.
My daughter, it is time give your husband. Here now. Take this drink. Whosoever you give it to, you shall call your husband. Go now. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting, okay?
It's okay.
As you can see, I'm on my way to the city. Please, always remember me in your prayers. And don't forget the promise we made to each other. We must wait for each other.
Yes.
Once I succeed, I'll come and marry you. Please, don't disappoint me. Oh?
I won't.
Stop crying.
I
Come
won't.
on, stop crying.
I won't.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I
Can't
won't.
do this here. Can't,
I won't.
please. Stop crying.
I will miss you.
Miss you too. Please. Be strong for me, oh? You know?
I will.
I love you.
So, can I at least escort you to the park?
Of course. Check, you carry two now.
No! Mama! Mama! He came. Mama! He came. He came, Mama. He came. Mama? He came. He came. He came, Mama. He came. Mama? He came.
Mama?
Excuse me. Huh? You're dead.
God forbid, Mama, I'm not dead.
Hey!
It's me! It's me, Jubu became now. I'm fine. Who told you people I'm dead?
Mama,
come on, stop.
You're not dead?
Okay, watch. Now we here now. I'm not dead. Now we
Mama! Mama!
Now we dead here, Mama!
He came. He came. Brother.
Mama, listen. This is my
Miss
car.
you so much.
How are you? Who told you? This is my car. Mama, it's a long story. Oh, please, please, please. You hate her. I hate to see it. Let's go in.
Can't you say good morning, sir? Would you tell me, Chief, good morning, sir?
Answer my question. What are you doing on my inheritance?
You are supposed to come and say, good morning, sir. What I'm doing in your land. This place is not your land. For information, young man. This place belongs to my late brother and automatically it's my property, my inheritance. Because he had no male child at the time of his death.
Nai, why are you saying that to him? Don't you know him?
Don't I know who Chibikem? I know him very well now. Is he not the illegitimate son of Kiru?
Excuse me. Watch your tongue, old man. Essie, suffer for it.
Shut up before I slap you.
I hate repeating myself. Oga, what are you doing on my inheritance?
Young man, do you want me to repeat that you are not the legitimate son of my late brother? You are a stranger.
No, because what are you even saying? Kene Kudu. Nkiru is Nduka's daughter. Chibikem is Nkiru's son. Therefore, he is the legitimate owner of this land.
Agnes, our kinsmen have already resolved this issue. They are behind me to go and possess my inheritance. And this place is my inheritance.
That was when they thought Chibikem was truly dead. He is back to claim what is truly his.
Nkiruka, be careful.
I am not here to exchange words with you. You are encroaching. You are on my inheritance. Leave to avoid casualty.
You are the one to leave. And let me have my possessions. One more word from you, young man. I will teach you a lesson you'll not forget. Why is he talking to me like this? You boy up. Okay.
I'm not going tonight.
Ask these two, let them tell you who you really are.